Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract abundance while others remain trapped in cycles of struggle? The answer lies in a secret most overlooked: the way they speak. Words are not just sounds, they're commands to the universe, shaping the very fabric of your reality. But here's the catch: most of us unconsciously misuse this power, creating resistance instead of flow. Today, you'll discover how to use your words to align with the energy of abundance, intention, and manifestation. What if changing the way you speak could change your entire life? Let's explore the untapped power of language to claim the reality you truly desire. There is an untapped magic in the way we choose our words, a vibrational signature that carries our intentions into the fabric of the universe. Words are not just sounds or symbols, they are the architects of our reality. Like seeds planted in fertile soil, the phrases we use germinate into the experiences we live. With every declaration, we are not merely speaking but commanding the cosmos, weaving threads into the grand tapestry of existence. To become conscious of this power is to step into a realm of creation, where even the subtlest whisper holds transformative potential. When we speak without mindfulness, our words can scatter like leaves in the wind, bringing inconsistency and discord to our lives. However, when chosen with awareness, they become powerful tools of manifestation. A simple affirmation, spoken with sincerity, can shift one's entire energy field, aligning thoughts and emotions toward a desired outcome. Imagine declaring, "I am abundant," with conviction, and watching how your reality begins to mirror that belief. But words are not isolated in their power. They draw their strength from the alignment of energy, intention, and emotion. Think of them as arrows shot from the bow of your soul. They travel further when propelled by focus and clarity. Negative self-talk or casual complaints, on the other hand, act as anchors, keeping us tethered to limiting patterns. The universe, impartial as it is, echoes back whatever we send into its vastness. Understanding this power requires trust in the subtle mechanics of existence. Each word vibrates on a frequency, resonating with similar energies in the quantum field. Just as Rousseau believed that simplicity unveils truth, simplifying the complexity of our language to one of love, gratitude, and authenticity can awaken a profound connection with the divine. If every word carries the weight of intention, how can we sharpen our awareness to ensure they serve our highest good? Let's journey deeper into the realm of awareness and intentionality, where true transformation begins. Awareness is the quiet observer within, the part of you that perceives life beyond the surface. It is the gateway to transformation, offering clarity where chaos often resides. When you become aware of how your words and thoughts shape reality, you awaken to the immense creative power within. Awareness is like stepping into the eye of a storm. It doesn't eliminate the winds of life but allows you to stand still and witness their rhythm. With awareness comes the profound responsibility of setting intentions. These are not mere wishes but the maps of your inner journey, charting a path toward the experiences you desire. Setting clear intentions is akin to planting seeds in the soil of your consciousness, watered by your focus and nourished by your belief. To say, "I am growing in peace and purpose," is to align your thoughts with your soul's deepest yearnings. However, intentions falter when clarity is lost. Vague desires produce scattered results, much like trying to navigate without a compass. The universe responds to precision. When intentions are infused with awareness, they become unwavering beacons, guiding life's currents toward your chosen destination. This alignment between thought, energy, and action ensures that every step taken serves a higher purpose. Awareness also requires patience, a silent trust in the unfolding of the universe. Like Rousseau's philosophy of natural harmony, the process of setting intentions works best when in sync with the flow of existence. Impatience, after all, disrupts energy alignment, while presence and gratitude ground you in authenticity, amplifying your power to manifest. But what happens when resistance emerges, when fears and doubts rise to challenge your intentions? The answer lies in learning to release resistance and embrace the flow of universal wisdom. Have you ever felt lost, disconnected from who you truly are? I created 3 transformative ebooks to help you reconnect with your true essence. Click the link in the pinned comment and start your transformation now. Resistance is the silent saboteur of manifestation, a veil of fear and doubt that clouds the clarity of your intentions. It often creeps in unnoticed, taking the form of self-limiting beliefs or an inner voice that whispers, "This is impossible." Yet, resistance is not the enemy, it is a mirror reflecting the fears you must face and dissolve. To release resistance is to unshackle yourself from the chains of uncertainty and step fully into your power. Imagine resistance as a river current that opposes your journey. Struggling against it only drains your energy, while surrendering allows you to navigate with grace. Letting go of resistance is not about abandoning your desires, it's about trusting the process. Acknowledge your doubts, but do not let them define you. When you face them with awareness, they lose their grip and transform into stepping stones for growth. Practical tools can assist in this process. Meditation helps quiet the mind, creating space for clarity and detachment. Visualization, too, serves as a bridge between resistance and flow. Seeing yourself already thriving in your desired reality dissolves the barriers of disbelief. Journaling your fears can also provide profound insight, transforming abstract anxieties into tangible challenges you can release. Ultimately, releasing resistance demands a partnership with the universe. This partnership is founded on trust, a willingness to believe that the cosmos is always conspiring for your growth. Like energy seeking balance, your intentions must be met with faith, detachment, and a quiet knowing that what is meant for you will find its way, unimpeded by resistance. And now, as the resistance fades, how do we align our energy with the reality we wish to create? Let's explore the art of energy alignment and its transformative power. Energy alignment is the bridge between your inner world and the reality you wish to manifest. It is the silent hum of harmony that resonates when your thoughts, emotions, and actions vibrate in unison. Imagine tuning a musical instrument. The melody of your life becomes clear and powerful when all the strings of your being are in tune. Alignment, then, is not just a state, it is a practice, a conscious return to your center. This alignment begins with self-awareness. To understand what you truly desire, you must first quiet the external noise and connect with your inner voice. Practices like deep breathing and mindfulness create space for this clarity. When you visualize your goals, see them not as distant dreams but as present realities, already imbued with the energy of gratitude and abundance. This shift in perception activates the magnetic pull of manifestation. It's essential to nurture this state with consistent action. Alignment is not passive, it's the interplay of trust and effort. For example, if you seek abundance, embody it through generosity. If your intention is love, express it authentically in your interactions. The energy you emit becomes the invitation the universe cannot ignore, echoing back to you in miraculous ways. But alignment also requires balance, a dance between persistence and surrender. Trusting that your desires will unfold at the right time, in the right way, prevents the friction of forceful striving. Just as the earth rotates without resistance, your alignment thrives when you flow with the rhythm of existence. The universe, after all, responds not to desperation, but to the serenity of a soul in harmony. As your energy aligns with your vision, what role does trust play in this cosmic dance? In the next step, we'll delve into the profound act of trusting the universe and letting go of control. Trusting the universe is an invitation to release the tight grip of control and step into the flow of existence with open arms. It's an act of faith, not blind or passive, but deliberate and grounded in a deep understanding that life unfolds with a wisdom far greater than our immediate perspective. Imagine standing on the shore, watching the tides ebb and flow. Not a single wave rushes before its time, yet all arrive perfectly when they are meant to. This trust thrives on patience, the quiet companion of intention. It teaches us to embrace the in-between moments, where growth often takes root unseen. Just as a seed does not sprout overnight, our dreams and intentions require time to align with the rhythm of the universe. Patience is not waiting idly, it is tending to our inner garden with care, gratitude, and a belief that the bloom will come when the season is right. At its core, trusting the universe also means trusting yourself, your ability to navigate challenges, your authenticity in expressing desires, and your alignment with what feels true and meaningful. When you act in harmony with your inner being, the universe responds with synchronicities that seem almost magical. These moments are reminders that you are not alone in this journey, you are a co-creator of a vast and interconnected reality. Finally, trust is the art of letting go, of expectations, of doubts, of the need to control every detail. This release isn't a loss but a liberation, a recognition that what is meant for you will never miss you. The universe operates in perfect balance, echoing back the energy you radiate. When you trust, you align with this balance, becoming not just a receiver of life's gifts but an active participant in its unfolding beauty. The power of your words is the key to unlocking a life of abundance and purpose. Now that you know how language shapes your reality, it's time to put this wisdom into practice. Start small, choose words that align with your intentions and watch as the universe responds in ways you never imagined. What will you speak into existence today? Share your reflections and experiences in the comments. Let's grow together on this journey of transformation. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to keep exploring the mysteries of manifestation and universal wisdom. Your next breakthrough could be just one word away. If words can shape your reality, imagine combining that power with the ancient art of alchemy. In our next video, we'll uncover the secrets of turning vision into fortune, weaving dreams into reality, and embracing synchronicities to become the luckiest person alive. Are you ready to master the alchemy of fortune and claim your destiny?